अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी।
Should 50% of your wealth go to the public after you die? Did the Congress say it will introduce the inheritance tax in India? Well, let's try to understand the Sam Pitroda controversy minus the noise and chaos. Remember, this controversy comes in the wake of BJP's allegations of Congress planning redistribution of wealth. Sam Pitroda, who leads the overseas wing of the Congress party, spoke to news agency ANI on Prime Minister Modi's attack on the Congress manifesto.
In America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair.
Obviously, this comment has triggered a massive controversy, with PM Modi even saying that Congress's mantra is to loot your wealth.
अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी। माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं, वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा। यानी कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी।
In simple words, inheritance tax is a levy or tax on money, property or other assets a person leaves to others after they die, and the one who gets it is responsible for paying inheritance. In India, there is no current law that imposes a tax on inherited property. It used to exist until it was banned in 1985 by the Rajiv Gandhi government under Finance Minister VP Singh. Before that, a high estate duty of up to 85% of inherited property's value was required to be paid by the executors of the deceased estate under the Estate Duty Act of 1953. Another important thing to note is that even America doesn't have a federal or national inheritance tax. There are some states like Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Nebraska, New Jersey and Pennsylvania where they have tax inherited assets. Each state has a different regulation regarding how much the tax is and who needs to pay it. Now, the Congress party, which has distanced itself from Sam Pitroda's comments, has said that the party has no plan whatsoever to introduce an inheritance tax. And instead, it hit back, saying that it was in 2014 that Jayant Sinha, the then Minister of State for Finance, publicly stated that he wanted to introduce inheritance tax.
What Sam Pitroda has said is not in the manifesto. Please understand, we are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to their personal opinions. Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras of women. This is such preposterous attacks that we are seeing from the BJP. It's a measure of their desperation. They know they are losing this election and they will fling any mud they can.